Hello, I am. Okay. This is the tutorial of Noog. So this Capo. Is it Capo? Capo on the second fret, right here, and then there's only 4 chords that you need to learn for the strumming. Oh yeah, I'm not teaching intro, so don't ask about it. Oh shit, oh froze. So the first chord is A minor. A minor. Oh shit. A minor. And then the next chord is the F major 7. And then C. So right there, F, C chord. And then the G. Okay, that's the only chord you need now. Strumming part. Strumming is down, up, down, up. Again, down, up, down, up. Again, down, up, down, up. So it just sounds something like this. Damn, I forgot the lyrics. What's the lyrics? Let me see. Oh, okay. So something like that. So peace. Good luck in the future. See you later.